Utah State University in Logan is quarantining and testing hundreds of students after COVID-19 was detected in the wastewater at some of the school's dorms. Administrators say that sewage samples collected from 4 residence halls on USU's campus had elevated amounts of the coronavirus. Those residence halls where the COVID-19 virus was found were Rich, Jones, Morgan, and Davis halls. No other testing samples collected on the school's campus came back positive. Meanwhile, 287 affected students that live in those residence halls will be tested. Administrators warn students they may not get their test results for 3 to 4 days, and they need to be quarantining during that time.
Well, 2 counties in the Eastern Idaho Public Health District are no longer under a health order requiring masks and limiting gatherings. In a meeting last week, the health district lifted those restrictions for Clark and Lemhi counties if they met the required numbers needed today. Since the numbers were met, the orders were lifted effective immediately, but the health district still urges everyone to keep doing all of the COVID-19 preventative measures to keep everyone safe.
A different story, however, coming out of Teton County, Wyoming. The order requiring all adults to wear face coverings in public in the county, including within the town of Jackson, is being extended through the end of next month. Teton District Health Recommendation number 9 was also extended. It encourages early closure of restaurants and bars through September 18th. The request for an extension of the face covering order was made to make sure as many mitigation measures are in place as schools begin to open this week.
Well, voters in Jackson will be asked to answer an additional question on their November ballot. The question is if the town should add a general penny sales tax. The town council says the 1-cent sales tax could raise around $7 million a year, with more than half of that money coming from tourists. They say the money would be used to help pay for community needs. If approved, collection of the tax would start in the spring of next year and be in place for 4 years and then be put up for a new vote.
The city of Chubbuck is asking for input on some big plans. The city has been planning to create a downtown area near Idaho Central Credit Union and the new City Hall building for 4 years now. Creating a downtown like this takes a lot of planning, and city leaders want the public to weigh in. They have created a survey which asks residents what kind of features they would like to see, from benches to art and even street names.
Whatever this becomes, whatever this is to become, we want the community to be proud of it and to be part of it. Obviously, one of the great successes of a downtown is if people come and make it their place to be. And so they're more than likely to do that when they've had the opportunity to say what they'd like it to be.
You can find a link to that survey on our website.